Welcome aboard SeaDream Yacht Club, where every guest enjoys the elegance of a private yacht and the comfort of a fully renovated ocean view stateroom or suite. We begin with the pinnacle of luxury, SeaDream's Owner's Suite. Thoughtfully designed across 447 square feet, this private retreat features a spacious living and dining area, a separate master bedroom with a queen-size bed, a guest half bath, and a writing desk for correspondence or reflection at sea. The marble-lined bathroom invites you to indulge with a massage shower and a soaking tub that gazes out to the open ocean. Located on Deck 3, just steps from the pool, this suite is your private haven for entertaining or simply unwinding in total serenity. The Admiral suite is equally refined, offering 375 square feet of tranquil living space and panoramic ocean views from 3 picture windows. Enjoy a cozy partitioned lounge and dining area, a guest half bath, and a private bedroom with a queen-size bed and ensuite marble-lined bathroom, complete with soaking tub. Located on Deck 4, near the onboard library, it's a quiet and elegant escape for the well-read traveller. Our Yacht Club Staterooms are beautifully appointed sanctuaries with ocean views and soft, nautically inspired interiors. Each offers a seating area with sofa, cocktail table, built-in dresser and writing desk, ideal for relaxing or writing postcards from paradise. Most staterooms offer a choice of 2 twin beds or 1 queen bed for personalised comfort. Deck 4 staterooms offer convenient access to the SeaDream Spa, Fitness Centre and Library. Deck 3 is just steps from the pool, perfect for a midday swim or sunset soak. For those seeking more space, 2 Yacht Club staterooms on decks 2 or 3 can be seamlessly combined to create a Commodore Suite, a 390 square foot retreat ideal for longer journeys or travelling with companions. Across all suites and staterooms, you'll enjoy carefully curated amenities, a well-stocked beverage fridge, direct dial phone, and a 55-inch LED TV with infotainment system. Luxury organic bath products, plush SeaDream bathrobes and slippers, a makeup mirror, and superior Belgian bed and bath linens are standard. And with our 24-hour in-room menu, comfort is always just a call away. Whether admiring ocean vistas or ending the day in pure comfort, your SeaDream Suite is more than a place to stay. It's your personal sanctuary at sea. SeaDream Yacht Club. It's yachting, not cruising. Enjoy the difference.